So this, I think, is how a lot of great cooking things happen. I made the stir fry, and then I remembered I wanted to put these in, and I also had half a plantain. But I don't want to like chop up all the aromatics again. But I have some cheat stuff here. Ginger garlic paste. So I'm going to put some of this in the wok. Yeah, it's so good. It's very garlicky. I don't smell a lot of ginger. Yeah, there's the ginger. Okay. So I'm going to turn it on. Set it to low. Coconut oil again. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I try to eyeball these things. And I'm going to do some ginger garlic, a good dollop, I think. And then I'm going to put half a bag of frozen vegetables in here, along with the plantains. And I also found the water chestnuts. So I'm going to add those at the very end. They don't really need to be cooked. Now, ideally, I've got like the garlic and the ginger going. I'm going to see if I have some kind of frozen onion I can just fling in here easily. And the answer on that is no. So I'm not going to worry about onion. Okay. But you hear it. It's talking. Okay. So I don't want leafy greens in there right now. Okay. Oh, it's good. Okay. So ginger garlic. I'm going to cook this for just a second. And add a little soy sauce. I think I'm more of a spontaneous cook versus a structured one where I have the secret family recipe. I'm more like that lady in the Ray Bradbury story who just, kind of did everything by eyeball, and when they tried to get her to do it differently, she couldn't cook anymore until her grandson fixed it. The kitchen back the way it was. Okay, so there, that's talking. Okay. Now, with something like this, I don't like to pick it up and put it because, I don't know. I just don't always do well. I drop things sometimes, and I've never been super coordinated. It's just part of the fetal alcohol. So I'm just going to cook these plantains for a minute, and then I'm going to put in the frozen vegetables. And I'm going to turn it up a little, I think. So I have some a fair amount of red pepper in there with the ginger and garlic and the soy sauce. That should give it some good flavor. And I'm going to add the rest of my lentils to the curry in about 5 minutes. I had what is called Halim mix, which has some whole grains, a little bit of barley, and whole wheat kernels, which I like cooked. But it does take a minute to cook them, even if you soak it. So I put them in first, and then I'm going to add the other stuff. Okay, this looks good. So I get this stuff at Dilly's. HEB also sells it. It is called Mezcla Campesina mix. It's carrots, peas, and corn. Oh, there we go. And then I like a small garbage bag when I'm cooking, and then I can just take out the trash as I'm cooking, and I can, and at the end of the night, because I don't want it sitting around the house. So Ron Woodall was like, he took the trash out for a while, until, his back went out, but he liked to smash it down as much as he could. He always wanted to get a garbage compactor, but I did not like that idea. And he couldn't find anybody who would sell him one, so it didn't come to pass. All right, with this, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do the lentils. Now, I've soaked these lentils. It's very, very full, so I can't really show you. I can do it this way. All right. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it off. Okay. Carefully, while maintaining awareness of the wok. If I had been a little better thinking, I might have turned. I'm going to turn these down. Okay. I'm not done with the lentils yet, but I'm just going to stir this bad boy up a little bit. Yeah, it's cooked down quite a bit. But I think the plantains and the vegetables will be good together. And, you know, it's my food. I can do whatever I want. The food police aren't going to come and arrest me, so. Worst case, I'll get somebody doing one of those videos where they trash talk my cooking. So this, I had a garlic clove and a red pepper in here when it was soaking, just to hopefully contribute a little flavor to it while it was soaking. And it is kind of milky as I'm rinsing it. This is what they call mixed dal here. It's different small beans basically, and this cooks pretty fast, especially if I soak it. It'll be done probably about 45 minutes, but I don't like firm beans ever. I didn't even know how to cook beans until I met Ron. It just wasn't a popular dish at my house. So, alrighty, that looks good. All right, so I have a fair volume of liquid in the pot, but I'm going to add some more because that's a lot of beans. And okay, so the trick is also to take it off so that the steam doesn't get my glasses. Okay, this is going to take forever if I have it down that low. Okay, and I can use this. So what I like to do is to heat up the water if I can. I have a good hot water heater. And then I don't really measure the water. I just want it at least a couple inches higher than whatever's in the pot. That applies what I tossed it with. So that's going to stop the boiling for a minute. I'm going to put the lid on, get it back up to boiling, and then put these beans in. And then all I have left to do with this is I need to add a little bit of rice and the frozen vegetables that I just put in the stir fry. I have another bag in there that's going in the curry. When it's almost done, and then just give it like 20 minutes and then I finish it. So, and then I'm giving it to my friend on Saturday, so that'll give it a nice day to mature, you know, the flavors. So, but yeah, this is looking pretty good. I'm going to cook it a little longer because I still see some ice on the vegetables. And that's a nice thing about a vegetable. If you undercook it, it doesn't really matter. Overcooked, I don't recommend it, but you know, you can. It's not going to hurt it much. Maybe the nutrition. Anyways, that is it.